Alrighty, guys, we are here and we are not queer, but maybe some of you guys are. I'm not sure. Do we have to go inside here? I guess so.
Some of them are sure. They're my decoys. I run them roll up on the streets looking tag, bang, bang, bang. My crew, my real man. I'm trying to put the shit I brought back from the desert. Tactics, psychology, savings. Anybody gets close to Rossi Fremont, they're gonna see what they want to see. Drugs, guns, death. But upstairs,
Alright, last mission we said we're gonna plant the wire in the bar for Bedbug, and he's gonna wear it. So let's start it. Let's plant this baby. That's how we do it. Plan Bedbug like a bug.
Putting a lot of faith in this kid. I don't know if he's up for the job. He's the cleanest way in right now. Let's hope I don't kill him.
Honestly, to you though, honestly, for this guy, it shouldn't really matter if you kill him. He's one less guy you have to take off the streets. Get out of my way, you moron. I don't know why we're running over here. I don't have a car, so I guess we're gonna run. I would take that, but that ain't a little piece of crap. We don't drive pieces of crap. I mean, we're in the ghetto. We are definitely in the ghetto. I don't know why the hell we're running. Why the hell over here? I mean, I guess we do want to create space, but I don't think we need this much space. Should probably watch where I'm running.
You hear about that fool running around with a mask?
Yeah, that's me. I just ran right by you, lady. I don't like this already. Just saying.
I gotta get inside that building and stay very close to Bedbug's signal. If we lose communication, that could panic the kid. Need to keep him calm.
Can I get in from over here? Oh, I can't. I can't. We're gonna be all stars right now. We're gonna be all stars. Oh. What do we got? What do we got? There's a fire escape. Those windows open up there? Fuck a yellow swag. Can I even get on the fire escape? So I guess we gotta go this way. Which sucks because there's a lot of freaking guys over here. Give me my baby. This is a very bad spot. Anything we can do here? Distract anybody? Do anything? Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 guys, right? I don't see anyone below me. But on the map it shows like 17 guys. The hell is that? That was stupid. This is not good. I think we're fucked. Former CIA. Alrighty. Oh my god! Oh no. This is no good. Believes he is being monitored. Yeah. What do you expect there, bro? Assaulted a roommate. I don't know what to do, guys. I have no idea what to do. I mean, unless I gotta take that guy out without this guy or this guy seeing, or that guy. Man, you ain't gonna shoot no one in the face, my dude. Whoo! That's how I do it.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Where are you?
Close enough. Go. My finger's still on the play button if I think you're stalling me.
Alright. I don't know about this. This makes me nervous.
He trusts you. He made sure of that. What's on Rack's floor?
There's one room I reckon there's nobody inside.
You're going in today.
No, wait. I can't. Listen. It's got some security door.
You're covered. Just get your phone near it. You're going inside that room.
I ain't no snitch. Don't talk to the cops.
Good. I'm not a cop.
Look, man, just do what I say.
I'm so scared, man.
Just listen to what I say and move when I tell you. I'm gonna watch out for you.
Oh, okay.
Go, quickly.
Hey. It ain't worth it, man.
Okay, move.
Come on.
Move your fat ass.
Oh, fuck.
Relax. How old are you?
19. I'm 19, man.
Jesus. You're still a kid.
Grandma says I was always big for my age.
Yeah, you're a big boy. Big boy. Alright, what do we got over here? This is gonna be hard, because this guy...
Fuck, man. Fuck.
Alright, we'll wait till he goes to the midsection of that wall. We're gonna move big boy over there.
Go. Stay low.
This is crazy.
Alright, now he's on the opposite side of that wall. Alright, this is gonna be the hardest part. Because I don't know if he's gonna be able to climb over that. If he does, I'm gonna have to move him quick. Gonna have to move him real quick.
It ain't worth it, man. Yeah.
No! Man, hop your fat ass over that thing! This is definitely gonna be the trickiest one, I think. He's gonna have to hustle all the way down that hallway. I have to time that guy the way he stands there. We'll have to find out. Alright, good. We don't have to stop him.
Relax. How old are you?
19. I'm 19, man.
Jesus. You're still a kid.
Grandma says I was always big for my age.
Okay, now. Go, go.
Where the hell are we? What is this? This is a totally different room. Okay, I have to change my whole assessment. Alright, so where the hell are we now? Are we... This is definitely a different room. Alright, so that guy's been there.
I don't want to do this.
Shut up, you're doing it.
Move.
I'm going. Fuck, man.
Now, go.
Just keep your fat ass down, okay?
This is crazy.
This is not fair. This is not fair at all. Oh, here we go, okay. Okay. Get ready, man, get ready. Which way does he turn? Good, he turns the opposite way. Okay, so we need to track this fool. And then we need to move. Shut up, dude. Shut up.
What the fuck? Go, quickly.
I don't want to do this.
Okay, move. Go. Stay low. Why are you hanging around with this asshole?
And my family. Well, I thought they were. You got family?
Yeah.
Kid?
No. You?
Probably. Oh, shit, man. Don't make me laugh.
Yeah. That could be bad.
Alright, here. Alright, go back to that camera, hurry.
Move ahead.
Just move your fat ass.
Okay, now. Go.
Crazy.
Smarter it is, the more it's a piece of shit.
Move.
Okay. It ain't worth it, man.
You know what? I'm tired of listening to you saying it's not worth it, bro.
You kidding me?
No, not really.
I don't want to do this.
Nothing.
Alright, we may have an issue. There.
Yeah, that's right, motherfucker. Keep doing that shit. You'll break before I do.
Man, shut your happy ass up, dog.
I ain't quality control. This ain't my problem.
Crazy.
Alright, you need to move.
Now, go.
I'm going. It ain't worth it, man.
What the fuck?
Go, quickly.
Alright.
Okay, move.
I wonder who can fix this.
Alright, well, I can't see what's going on behind me,
Go.
so get your
Stay
ass.
low.
See that door? Them locks ain't no invitation.
Just get close enough.
Only a rat can get in, man.
Hold up a sec. Need to look through your camera.
Too late. I already unlocked that bitch.
Computer's through there.
So, why are you doing this, man? This ain't your world.
It's complicated.
We got plenty of time.
Iraq was involved in something that hurt my family. I want answers.
That ain't so complicated.
Alright, well, let me in that bitch. Let's come back here, I guess. There we go. Fuck your time shit. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it when it's time, bro. Why you gotta do me dirty? Why you gotta do me dirty? Shit, 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 shit. Shit. I'm fucked. I'm fucked. I'm fucked. Damn it. I hate that. I hate when it's too damn long. Shit, I already fucking failed this one. God damn it! This thing's pissing me off. So this one needs to stay like this. This one needs to be like this. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, this needs to turn again. Alright, well, somewhere I already fucked up. So that's cool. Come on now, man! Oh my god, I'm about to be done! This is pissing me off. Turn this over, turn this... Shit. Fuck your shit.
Just give me a minute. I wasn't.
Give me a minute, bro. I wasn't expecting this either.
Quiet.
Shit, we need to flip it again. This is bad. This is really bad. Really? Really? This is impossible. I can't. Alright, alright, alright. We have that. We have that. Okay, okay, we have. How is that? How is that a thing? How is that a thing right there? Alright, this is just generally impossible. Okay, so that's how we do that. Turn that way. Okay. Okay. So that one has to stay like that. That one goes like that. This one has to be turned. Turn again, turn again, turn again. Turn again. You bastard. Alright, now we need to connect this side again. Really? Doucher? Okay, this is really annoying. How am I supposed to get the middle one? This is majorly impossible. What am I missing? What am I missing? Am I missing something here? The power has to be connected. Oops. How about that? There we go. Jesus, molasses.
Computer's through there.
Walker happy ass in there, bro.
Yes, yeah, servers. Jesus, that's some serious hardware. There, get close. Shit. Just stay there. Wait, that's not enough. Go back.
Uh-oh. I feel bad. I feel really, really bad.
Man, but what's this shit? Look, it ain't what it look like. What it look like to you? Cause it look like a supersized fucking betrayal to me. How the fuck you even get in here?
Hold on. No, I love you, man. You know that.
Who bought you? Quinn? No, wait, man. Don't lie to me. Don't you fucking lie to my face. This how you repay me for taking you in.
Come on, cuz, we family. You know it wasn't me. He made me do it.
What the fuck? It's real close.
Oh shit.
Get down there. Find that bitch.
Oh no.
Hey man, keep an eye out for that. Where the fuck did
He
he
did
go?
everything right. And I ran. Did he just murder his own cousin? Did I get him killed?
I hope not, dude, because then I feel really bad.
I hope there's enough.
I think there's a guy on foot. Yeah.
We're find that motherfucker.
Okay, why did the gates just pop up?
There, I see him. Better take this dude out.
This ain't even fair. This ain't even fair at all. How am I supposed to get away in this hunky jump?
I'm flaming him. Alright, we're here. Let's do this.
Okay, douchebag. Move! How come they can shoot out cars and we can't?
So try to slam in for him. Let's see what he does.
I'm getting the hell out. Oh, you know what? I'm just gonna kill you.
Over there now.
Take one of your homeboys' cars. I'm out of here, bitches. I know not riding on the tracks is a good thing, but you know, we're gonna do it anyways.
What the fuck? Damn, I lost. No, that's it. We out of here. Long gone.
Not really, I've just been riding the edges of this out of town, but you know.
Tell me you got something.
It was only a partial download, but I definitely got something. It looks like his computer is full of blackmail on everybody. Just listen to these full names. Police Chief Sextape, Bloom CEO Bribe, CTOS Breaches.
Iraq's sitting on the most dangerous weapon in the city. No wonder the cops stay away. He's probably had a chat with the police chief. Can you see what's inside the folders?
Not yet. I'm trying.
Is there a folder for the Marat?
Merlot. Yes, there is.
Good. I'll be there soon.
Holy crap. This car is junked, but it got me out, like always. Alright, you guys, I'll let you listen to this phone call real quick.
Hey, is this thing still work?
Bedbug, you're alive. You need to get out of there.
I am out. I just thought maybe I could help you get your answers, you know, about your family. That video we saw on the screen. Iraq asked me about it. Asked me what I knew about Rose Washington.
Rose Washington?
I don't know who she is, but that's the girl in the video. Iraq said she's dead.
Okay, thanks. That might help.
Yeah. You and me? We done?
We're done. You did good, Bedbug.
Thanks, buddy. Thanks for sticking in there for me. I'm glad you didn't die, because that would've put a nail around things, man, I think. God damn.
He made a lot of noise in roughly 3 months. Please give me good news.
Iraq's got dirt on a lot of people, and his computer's full of it. Everybody from politicians to CTOS execs. The Merlot is in there, too.
I knew it. I told you it was there.
It's encrypted. I don't have access to it, but that video we found at the Merlot,
Sorry.
the woman's name is Rose Washington.
Rose Washington. I know that name.
I'm sure you do, buddy. I'm sure you do.
You had paid her.
I followed your idea. Now give me my sister.
But we're just starting. That video is important to someone. Important enough to attack me, to attack your niece.
Careful, Damien.
Come on, I know you want to follow this to the end as much as I do.
That wasn't our deal.
Oh, but it was. You said it's encrypted. Then your job's not done.
No, you're not gonna do this.
I can do whatever I want.
Hey, it's me.
Nikki, how you doing?
I'm tired. They're taking care of me, I guess. Come get me, please.
Okay, there's other people with you. All right, that's fine. Just be ready for anything. Coming to get you.
I need to see Jack. How's he doing?
He's a brave boy.
Takes after his mother, but he's stubborn like his bull-headed uncle.
Thanks.
Yeah, I guess he is. Doesn't take no for an answer.
Time's up. Ta-ta.
God, I hate that guy.
I should have
Alright,
expected this
guys.
from Damien. It's working an angle. We want something more. All right. One thing at a time. I'm gonna need the rest of Iraq's blackmail. Then I got leverage. And then I can deal with Damien.
Alright, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that little fun mission. We're getting to the end of Act 2. Guys, I'm just taking out shit everywhere. I'm gonna definitely get rid of this car. Hey, remember this alley? I remember this alley. A couple missions ago, yeah buddy, part 2. Alright guys, I will see y'all in the next mission. Alright.